Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut brittle. I made this twice in culinary school over a year ago. It was so good I had to share it with you guys. So let's get started. Lightly grease a clean marble board, or you can line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then in a large heavy bottom saucepan, add in the sugar, corn syrup, and water, and place it onto the stove over a medium-high heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them, and heat it until it boils, stirring it occasionally. Once it's boiling, don't stir the mixture anymore. Add in a candy thermometer into the pan. Make sure it's not touching the bottom of the pan, and heat it until it gets up to 250 degrees. While it's heating, measure out the butter so it's on hand for when the sugar syrup is ready. And for the peanuts, you can either use roasted or unroasted. If you're using unroasted peanuts, measure them out too. If you're using roasted peanuts, don't worry about them just yet. I'm using roasted peanuts, so I'm gonna set them aside for now. When the syrup reaches 250 degrees, remove it from the heat. Immediately add in the butter and peanuts if you're using unroasted, and mix them in until they're combined. Place the saucepan back over the heat and heat it until it gets up to 312 degrees. While it's heating, measure out the rest of the ingredients so they're on hand for later. The salt, or leave it out if you're using salted peanuts. Baking soda, and vanilla extract, and peanuts too if you're using roasted. When the sugar syrup reaches 312 degrees, remove it from the heat. Immediately add in the rest of the ingredients, and mix them in until they're combined. Quickly pour it out onto the prepared marble board or baking sheet, and spread it out flat. If the peanuts are added at the end, it will cool the mixture fast, so work quickly. Then leave it until it's completely cooled. Then just break it up into pieces and it's ready. And that's how to make peanut brittle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.